Hi, today I'm going to take about a single linked list in a C program. First of all, we need we need to know about a linked list. There are different types of linked lists. So in this video, we are going to see about a single linked list. First, there are different types of single lists. First, I'll explain what are the types. First is first single linked list means basically we need that is a single linked list. Then apart from single linked list, there is a circular linked list, double circular linked list, single circular linked list. These are the types of linked list. So we are going to see about the single linked list now in this video. Now what is mean by single linked list? That means in this word even single linked, that means it is a single linked. So there will be a one node. This is a one node. Like in array, how we are getting a data and we are many data, that is same data type and storing in same address. That means in same variable, different address. Like same like in array, like linked list is also a same like an array, but we are using in different ways. That is in but this is the more advantage. It has more advantage than array. So first let us see what is meant by node, then only we can understand what how we are using this node in single linked list. First, a node. This is a node, a rectangular box that is contain one data and a link path. A data is we are giving the data, and link is the that is the address that stores the address of the next element. So this is the node, where node contain one data and next element address. So how the single linked list work means, first we are assigning a one variable, that is a root. That is root means head. First you forgot about the root. First we are going to see about this. What is this? Now this is a one node. There are four node. I have created four node. First node I have stored 10. In second, that is first element. Second element 20. Third element 30. Fourth element 40, because the first box is data, so we are giving the data 10, 20, 30, 40. And next element you see. So let us we consider this is the address of first node, 100. So this 100, you take this 200. First 200, that is the first node address is 100, second node address is 200. Now what we need to do is that this is the link path. This will contain the next element address. So this 200 is the second node. It will store in first node that is link path. So the compiler, while reading this data, that means while coming through this node, if you give this address path, the compiler will jump to this. That means it will jump to this node. That is it will jump. It will go point to this address. That is 200. So we can easily access this data. Likewise, after the compiler pointing this address, that is 200, that is 200 in the address 200, data is 20, and link path is 300. That is 300 is next node address. So from this second we can access the third node. Same like in third, we can access the third data and the third link path. The link path is fourth node address. So same we can access fourth node data. And the fourth, see here, the last is I have given 0. That means 0 means this is the last node. That means it means that this is the last node. It does not have any other element after this node. So this is the single linked list. While we are knowing only this address, we can by only knowing this address, that is first element address, we can access all element, that is 20, 30, 40 other data from other data from the node by accessing the first element, because it contains second element address. In second element it contains third element address. Third element it contains fourth element address. So in last we are that is last value, it contains 0. That means it is a last value. So this is the single linked list. So that is I have marked C. It will provide a link that is I marked. Now what is the root means? Because first that is the second address value stored in first node link part, but we need to know the first element address, then only we can access second, third, fourth. For that only root is a one variable creator and storing this address in this root. While we are going for program, we need to know we are going to use pointer because it stores the address only, because these are the 100. Let us assume I have assumed address is 100. These are the address 100, 200, 300, 400 or address. These are we are going to store in a variable. Simply we cannot store a address in a variable, so that a concept that is called pointer, it will stores the address of the, that is variable address, that is called pointer. I will explain with the code. Then I have used a C program for a single linked list. First I will show you the output. See, first it asks that we are the going to this or do this operations, that is first one. See, it asks that first one insert, second first one insert, second one delete, third one display, fourth one search element, fifth one exit. These are the operations we are going to do in this single linked list. Now I am initially no values has been inserted, so I am going to insert values first. First, I have give first operation. It asks the inserted beginning, middle, and display inserted elements. Exit from insert menu. I'm going to add element at beginning. First value I'm going to give 1, and the second value I'm going to give at end. That means last. I'm going to give 3. Now I am going to insert a element between 1 and 3. That is middle. Insert at middle. Now I'm going to, that is insert at middle. I'm going to give the data 2. So it asks the number of element is 2. That is before inserting 2 there are two values 1 and 3. Now I'm going to insert at first position. That means if you give first position, the first after the first position it will insert that the what data we are giving, that value will be inserted. Now we can display the values 4, that is C 1, 2, 3. We are displayed. Now we can exit from the insert menu. Now we can do other operation, that is second one is delete. We can delete any number, enter the position to delete. This is first, second. We can delete a second position, that is 2. We are going to delete. I have deleted, that is 2, and again I am displaying 3 is display. See, 1 and 3 is the two value, that number 2 is get deleted. Now we can do a third operation, that is display. I have displayed 3. Now we can search element. We can do search element. It asks what the value you need to search in a linked list. I'm going to search 3. It is there. If it is there, it shows 3 is in the list. If it is not a value in the linked list, again I'm doing 4. That is if you give any number 6, 6 is not there in the list. So what will print? 6 is not in the list. So these are the operations we have I have done it in this code. Now at last, if you want to exit, give 5. It has been exited. The program has been exited. So these are the operation that is implemented in single linked list. Now let us see the code. Now we are going to see the code. First I have used a structure type. That means structure type. Why we are using the structure concept here means the structure concept is nothing but we are if that is a user defined data type, that is user created a data type of different data type. That is in a actually we can do we can create only one data type. If you create an array, if you want to store many elements, you can create an array, but in the array we can create only a same data type. All the values should be in same data type, but we need to store a different values in same, that means different data types. It should be, it can be integer. If you consider a student, if you consider a student, it they has mark, their name, their mark, their phone number, their salary. If you consider if you consider a businessman or a person getting working at under a company, he will get a salary, loan. It has a different data types. So if you get a salary means it can be a double, or it can be a float or integer, so you can do in double. So if it her her he or she name will be in we are know that it is a string. So we need to store different data types under a single, that is on variable like structure. So that in array it is cannot be possible. So that is in C there is a structure, that is a user defined data type, it is there, that is a structure. See, a struct, that is a keyword struct. Node is a name of the structure. That if you how the class has a name. If you give class student is a name of a class. Likewise, structure node is a name of the structure. In this, I have given that this is starting data integer. That is I have shown in this here. A node should be contain a data and a link. The node, that is data, is a integer value, and the link part is a, that is a address, that is we are going to store a address of another node. So integer data is a integer, and struct node pointer link is a name of the that is second box. This is what is this mean? That means we are going to, that is the first value link, that is 100 of link is going to store the next address of, that is node address. So next node is fully we are considered as struct node. So pointer pointer means it point to the address. So pointer, that name of the that is name of the variable is link. So that is we are going to next the address, next node address, that is the meaning. So this is int data struct node link. Now what is that? I am creating a variable, that is struct node head. Here this is the head, the root is the head. I'll I'm writing as, so this is the head. We are going to see in code. First let us see in main menu. Starting integer, I have given integer I equal to 1 C position, and a boolean type, that is a boolean condition. Boolean type, that is a true false is a boolean type. So condition, name of the boolean variable. So I give a declare true, so it will initiate as true. So while of true it will go inside, and it will print that this is the main menu. Under the main menu it will ask the choice what the user need to do, and it will enter the operation. So the user will give the choice. If the choice that I am passing in switch case, if one means that is insert. Under the insert I am going to create another sub menu, that is we need to insert at beginning, middle or end, or display the inserted elements, exit from insert menu. And it will ask again the choice, that is under sub menu I am passing in C, that is I am declared as C. Now case 1, that is insert at beginning. So I am created a function that is add at beginning. So after compiler seeing this add at beginning, it will go for the function that is add at beginning. It will go for the add at beginning. So where is the that is void add at beginning. This is a function I created. Under this I created struct node pointer. That is like head. I am creating a for a pointer, that is to point where the, that is we need to create a one node. After we are, that is here, first we need to insert element, means we need to first create a node, and after creating a node we need to insert data and a link path of another node. So then only we can link this elements. So first, for creating a node, I am create a struct node. That means after compiler see this struct node, it will go for the structure, that is struct node, and it will create a two variable, that is integer and for link part, and create a pointer. So the pointer will point the address. The pointer will point the address of the struct node, that is address. And if you see in this case, the pointer will, that is the pointer will point to the, that is if you create an this is the node. So this is the node. Sorry. This is the node. After creating a node, the pointer should, that is a pointer variable will point to this node, that is this address. That is if you create 100, that is initially 100 means, if the pointer value is 100 means, it point to the 100. After creating head, that is I am creating a root, that is in that is head will point the first well first node address. So I'm inserting as for starting null and count, sorry, pointer, that is pointer, and pointer equal to struct node malloc size of struct node. That means, what is that? Malloc function is in, that is we are used in a data structure to create a memory, dynamic memory, a continuous memory. So the continuous memory, it will create, the malloc function will create, and it will return the address in struct node. That is that is we are specifying what the type, that is pointer. It will, after that, the malloc function will return this address, the struct node, the size of struct node. If you give means, after seeing that the what the size of struct node, it according to the size, it will create a one dynamic memory. On dynamic memory, it will create, and it will point to the, that is it will give the address, will give to the pointer. And what is this means, it is the type of the variable, that is pointer is a struct node type. So we are assigning struct node. After that, it asks enter the data. Same, it has for after creating node, it asks enter the data. So you are giving our data, and it giving the printf scanner, that is I am in we are using a pointer, that is arrow symbol, to denote PTR for accessing data and link path. Now the PTR, now this is pointing to this. If you create this address, it pointing. If you create an if you create an address, that is the node has been created, and after the node, you have inserted 10 data, and we need to insert a link. So to access this data, what that PTR is pointing to this 100 address, and that is PTR means the address, that is pointer data. That means it will access this data. So whatever you are giving the data, that we need to give in that pointer, that is pointing that what the link or data. So that is the meaning. So pointer data, we are giving data, and pointer dot link we are initially we are assigning as 0 starting, because we are creating only one node, that will be the last node. So we are creating initially 0, null, that null is a 0. So it's checking the condition if head equal to null, that means the head is the I have said that it will store the first node value. If that means it's initially the check if head equal to 0, initially it is 0. Now it will, what will happen, the head, that is pointer, that is in this case this pointer address, that is the address of pointer is 100, the 100 will store in this head, it will store here. After that, else means if a head is not 0 means it we can, the compiler will understood it initially it as a number, that is a element node it is as. So it will, the pointer of link equal to head. That means, we are inserting at beginning only, no, that is whatever the element it has, we are that is we are inserting a node at beginning. If initially it has to, this node, initially this node is been there, but we are going to insert this node. So what will happen, it will swap. If we are going to insert this node, initially it has this node, so the node which we are creating will should be in the beginning. This will go this second. So that is the operation we are going to do. So what will be, if you, I'll create another node, so it will be easy. So initially it has 20, and link part is initially 200. Now what will happen? It is initially it is there. Now what will happen? So no. Initially it has because initially it will be there 0, because this is the first element and this is the last element. Now what will happen, if head is null, that is it, if it is not the first value, that is, now what will happen, ptr of link equal to head. That means initially it has a value, then head, that the head is the pointing to first first node. So what will happen, the head is pointing to first node, and this the head link will go, we are going to store in this link. So then this will be the first node, it will, because it will point to this link. Then after what we are going, we are doing head equal to ptr, it is ptr of link equal to head. The head value is storing in that current node, we are creating new node link path, and ptr is equal to head. That means this ptr means current address, that is starting address, that we are pointing 100. If you create, that is the pointer newly created node address is 100, then 100 will store in this head. So this will become first node and this will be second node. This is the add at beginning method. Now add at now next is add at middle. Now what is, if you want to add at middle, what is the method is that, add at middle is first again we are creating an pointer, because in a function, in one function we are creating a pointer, that is this function will be local to this function. This pointer, that is pointer variable, will be local to this function. What are the function under the function? Whatever the value created, it will be local to that function. That means after this function get exited, this after the function exited, these values will be deleted. That is we are that will be automatically deleted. So that's why only if that is head, we need to be change. So compiler, I am declaring a global, so it will everywhere it can be accessed. So under the middle, that is we need to create a node, and that is at same, yeah, it is asking that if head equal to null, that means starting even no element is there, so we need to print, because without a two number we cannot add a number at the middle of the two number. So if starting no values there, that means head equal to null, we need to print add two elements. Else if count equal to 1, the count is a function I created. Count means it will count how many elements is there. So after seeing count, it goes to the count part. That is count function I created. Again, I am creating a current is a one pointer that is creating. It will point the set node, and it current equal to head. Head is the first value. So current equal to head means current also pointing to first value. Now I am passing in while statement. That is current not equal to null. That means count plus plus current equal to null. I will explain here. That is current. Now I created a current. That is a current variable I am created. Current. Now current node I am created is a temporary variable. Now what will this also? This will also point to head. So the head also has the head as the starting address. The current also as the starting address. Through this current also can access the first element. So now what we are going to do? Current not equal to null means, that means the current initially it point to 100. That means the current not equal to null means that this address current is not equal to null. The current is not equal to null. Yes, initially it will be uh, because we are storing a head that is first value 100, so it is not null, so it will go inside the while statement, and it will check count plus plus. That means after this 100 means first value, so it will create, that is we can understand there is a 1, that is it access first node, that is count, it will count 1. Next it will check current of link, current equal to current of link. No, then it will store current, that is current 100 of link 200. So 200 will get stored in current. Then it will point to this. So now it will again, it will check 200 is null. No, it will go inside of, it will check, it will store 300. Then after this it point to 300, and again 300 is not null, so it will store 400, that is link, current of link equal to current. 400 store in current, and it pointed to 400. Now 400 link is 0, so 0 will be stored in current. After this what will happen? Now current is 0. Again it go on checking at the time current is not equal to null. No, because the last value is 0, it can be null, that is null. So the condition fails. So at that time what will the count value? It will count starting 1, 2, 3, 4. Now current value is 4 at this case, but have created at the middle we don't have any that is we don't create any element. at the time I'm passing that is a value here middle. This head is not head is 0 means it has no value. Now current of equal to 1 means it has one value, then it will count, it will return 1. So again we need to add one more element, then only we can middle the element between two elements, else otherwise it has a element, that is more element is there. What will do, again a pointer creating same like creating a pointer and entering data and link I am giving 0. Now I'm going to print the number of element and it will check that count. If already it has element and it will count and it will say how many element is there. Then again at which position we need to add the node. That if it has three values, it will show it will 3, the number of element is 3. And which position, if you give 2, the second position, that is after second position, that means between second and third, it will add the position, that is position it will scan. And if position is greater than or equal to count, that means if the count, if already it has 3 means if you give position 5, so invalid number it will print. Else current equal to head, again the current is assigning as head, that is first value. Again if I is less than position, that means I am given 1, I is less than position means if you give 3, that is if you want to add a node between, that is 1 2 3, add node between 2 and 3, the first I is 1, so position should be 3, position is 3. So what position is 2 means up to this it will go, that is what is that, uh, that is high is 1, position is 3, so 1 is less than position. So yes, it will go inside current equal to current of link, same like the current will store first current, it will store second second node link address, then again it will go in after it point to second, now it will current is pointing to second node. And I plus plus 2, now 2 is less than position, that is position is 3, yes, so it point to third, that is this. Now current is, now current is pointing to this third node. Now what will happen, now I increment, so 3 is less than 3, no, the while statement will get out. Now pointer of link, that is newly created node, here will be null. So now in this place we are going to insert current of link, that means current is no, the current will be here, it is 2 uh, 200, the current value is 200, that means what will happen, the 200 of link 300, so this address will store here, that is this address will be stored here. Then after that current of link equal to ptr. Now that current of link, that means ptr address is go and storing in current of link here. So it will one node will be add in between this node, so this is the middle. And last one is end, that is end. End is the end is that add, and again I'm creating a pointer and a current also I'm creating. Now pointer, that is a node I'm creating and entering a data, and that is ptr of link is null. So we are going to add at end, we are going to add at end. Now what if head equal to null means that is initially no value, so head equal to ptr, that is if you add in n, that will be the first value. Else means it has that means it has a number. It has a it, that is it has a number, so else it has a number, so what we that is it has a node. Now current equal to head, then current it will point to the starting address, and it will while of current of link is null. That means now if you are go this is the last node, means this node, that is we are going to add this in last part. And what we are going to check current of link is 0. We are going to check, then we are going to, if it is 0 not 0 means it will go inside the while loop and it will store this address in current. Again it will check current of link. Now current value is 200, 200 link means 300, 300. Now 300 it will store in current, and 300 current of link 300 link 400. Now it is 0 not, it will store in this. Then current of link is 400 link 0. Then what will be the current value? 400. Now current of link is not equal to null. Now current value is 400. Now current of link equal to PTR. That means current of link is 100. So it will point here. Now newly created link, that is this address. If you consider this is 500 address, this 500 address will get stored in here. So it will become 500. Now it will point, so another, this will point to this node, so this will add at last. This is the add at last. Now these are the operation we are done in head position, and this is display we can see in later, because after that is in starting of the main operation. In main operation we are going to display the numbers, so these are the same, that is same function we can see it later. Now exit is simply that is we need to go out of the while statement, so simply I have given I equal to 0, and I used break statement, so it will go outside. Now under that is under first condition, that is under first statement insert, we are completed. Now we are going to see the delete. Delete is the option I have used here. That is first it will delete. To delete I use case 2. Again it will ask enter the position. That is what the position which position we need to delete. If you have 1 2 3 the value, now if you give 2 means that is second position. That is number 2 is going to delete. So I am using a delete function and passing a position. Now it will go for delete of function, and position is 2. If you consider 2 means, again it will create a set current. So if position, that is again it will check if position is 2, and count it will check how many numbers element. If you give 2, but if you give, that is if you give simply if we give 5, but the element is 3, so it will print invalid option. Otherwise if position is 1 means, if that means if you are going to delete a position, that is first element. Now current equal to head. Now current equal to head, then head equal to current of link. That means head for starting, that is head root value equal to current of head. That is current of link means head link. That is second value, second node address is go on storing in head. Then node current of link equal to null. Then that current, that is current of link is null, it creating a null. Then we are going to free. That means what is that? If you want to, this is the first node. If you are going to delete this first node, what will happen? That current will point to this current of link. The current is 100, the current of link is 200. It is 200 will go and store in head. Then this the current of link is assigning as 0, and we are going to free this node. That means it will delete. So this will point here, that is 200 it will become, so it will point as this will be deleted. This is the beginning, but we are going to delete at middle. What will happen? What will happen? That struct of node, again I am creating current and pointer. Now current equal to head, while I equal to 1, I is less than position minus 1. That is, if you give 2, it will up to 1 it will go, and it will store in current, that is up to 1. If you given 2, we need to delete a second position, but it will go up to 1, that is current will store up to, that is first node address. Now I plus plus, that is after this. Then what will happen? Pointer equal to current of link, that is first node address, sorry, second, it will go for second node address. Because if you want to delete second node, the second node link it as third node, so that second node link we need to store in ptr. So that is the ptr. Second node link is that is third node, third node address is storing in ptr. Now current of link, the current of link is ptr of link. Now ptr of link is on ptr of that is third node. Now what will happen? That is third node link is ptr, current of link is third node. Third node link is go and storing in third node address is storing in ptr. No, ptr of link is current of link, that is second node current of link. Now ptr link is, now I am assigning as 0, that is second node. Second node address we are going and assigning as 0. Now if you free ptr, the second node will get deleted, and now first node and third node will get linked. So this is the delete operation. Now our option is to display. Now we can see the display. Display is nothing but like same like counting how we have counted, that is that display. And I'm creating a struct. I'm current equal to head. It will store the first node address. Now if current equal to null, that means like in same count, if current equal to null, that means current is not null, so print the list is empty. If that means head is null, means current is null, so the list is empty. If, without inserting element, if you give display, the list is empty. Else it I am creating like a array. I am creating that square bracket. Then if current is not equal to 0, first address will store, that is first address is, and if no element is there, if current is 0, otherwise it will be current, it has some address. So if current is not 0, so it will go inside current of data. It is, that is first current of data it will print. Then current will point to next node, and next address data will print up to, that is current equal to current of link. Then if that means if current is pointing to loss, that is 4000, the current 4000, then 4000 link, that is 4000, then 4000 data 40 it will print. And after that 4000, that is current of link is 0. Now what will happen? Up to 440 it will print, and it will get exited from the loop, and it will print again and close bracket, and I'm creating a new line. This is the display. Now and our last option is searching an element. That is, if an element in a list, we are giving a same element, we are going to search. If element is there, it that is we need to print it is there, otherwise it is not there. Same like I'm doing in current, like same like we are going to display, that is value I'm creating an integer, current equal to head same like current, it will point to first address. Now I'm getting the value from the user, same like displaying same like current is not equal to 0. If current of data equal to value, then if first value, that is current of data, it will access, and if it is the value given by the user, it is equal, it will print n is in the list, that is n percentage d, that is value. If you give 2, the 2 is in the list, 2 is in the list. Otherwise the value became, that is value equal to 1, it will become. So current equal to current of list. If starting given, it as it equals, value will become 1, and current equal to current of, it will point to next. So then if a value is not equal to 1, that means if no value is matched with the link, that is list, so value is not, that is value is here 1. I'm assigning value is not 1, that means value is 1, it is value is not 1 means it is not matched, so the value is not in the list, that is if 2 is not in the list. This is the disorder operation. And our last is exit, that is when you know that I'm giving condition false, that means if while of false, it will get exited. So this is our single linked list I am using in in C program. These are the single linked implementation of single linked list in C program.